Hi IGTV, this is Leah, and I am just here to speak about YouTube and the fact that if you are in business, you should get into having a YouTube channel. It is important because YouTube is like the second largest search engine in the world after Google, right? People come onto YouTube to find a whole ton of information. They want to know how to do certain things, simple things as even how to sign up for Facebook. People go onto Instagram for video. On top of that, video is making waves. Everybody know now that within their marketing strategy, it is advised that you have video as it reaches out better. People believe in people. People no longer want to see a whole bunch of text and you don't know who is the person behind the information, right? So video is actually gaining and has gained a lot of traction in recent times, and everybody should be doing video. Now, you could be doing crafts, you could be doing whatever, and you need to be discovered, or you want to expand your business into international markets. I remember in business, in secondary school, learning business, we would always hear about exporting goods, and it seemed like if it was only for big corporations. But now, the average individual, the smallest company, could even expand their market internationally by the use of YouTube. And how do you do this? Something we call search engine optimization. This is all about ranking, using keywords and descriptions and tags and so on that would rank your content high on Google's pages, or even you have SEO for YouTube, so you can actually be seen in the first page of the YouTube search under that particular topic. So YouTube is very, very important. I believe people should get into it. The great thing is as well, when you satisfy YouTube's requirements, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, right? AKA 240,000 watch minutes in total over 12 months, you can be monetized. And that just means that you now give YouTube the permission to place ads within your content videos. All right. And when these ads are there, you get a piece of the pie. You get some of the money. All right. They have a certain rate. I'm not going to get into that, but you get paid, and you get paid directly to your bank account. If you're watching this and you're from Trinidad and Tobago, just like I am, you can actually still get paid. I'm certain that there's a bank here that will take, I'm not calling anybody's name because I'm not paid to advertise anybody's bank, but we do get paid. You can get paid right here. There are local examples of this, like Certified Samson, Devonex, Scott, you name them. They have ads within their videos because they have monetized their content, and that's a great way to earn some passive income. Remember, YouTube is like a library. Your content is going to be there forever unless YouTube vanishes, which is probably not going to happen, especially no time soon, right? Your content is going to be there. It's like a library. So I created a video on my channel called How to Start a Business in Trinidad and Tobago Step 1. That video is, the last time I checked, it was at 480 views, and it continues to rise. It will continue to rise. Probably next year this time it may be in the thousands of views, right? Because that will always be there. And if somebody goes to the search bar in YouTube and types in how to register a business in Trinidad and Tobago, you can actually see, or certain of the keywords I would have used in my video, like business registration, Trinidad and Tobago, these kind of key terms, search engine optimization. Again, if people type in these things, more than likely you will find my video pulling up in the options for people to view, right, and to learn something from. So you can actually be that authority figure. You can add value in your field and have your content there all the time for generations to come, because 10 years from now somebody will still want to find out how to start a business in Trinidad and Tobago. And if the rules remain the same, that video is going to add a lot of value to people, whether I am producing content or not. So it's like writing a book, but you're doing it in video form, and you can do it for different lengths, right? YouTube, you can put any different length. Of course, there are rules as to how long you should actually try to make your video, the minimum amount of time you should have to optimize. You don't want to have minute videos too much, and 2-minute videos too much of those, because you don't get chance for YouTube to actually grasp what you're speaking about, or even place ads. You can't have an ad that's possibly just as long as your video, So all these things are things that you could actually learn. These are the things that I actually teach. I don't have a problem showing people how to get started with YouTube. So it's a means of expanding your business, exposure of your business, your talent, your skill, and it is also a way to get passive income. So thank you for watching this video on why YouTube and why you should be doing YouTube. This was Leah. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel at Leah CL Moses. You can find it, and on all social media platforms at Leah CL Moses. Thanks for watching.